Welcome back to another episode of Cricut Design Space Basics. I'm Laura with Laura's Crafty Life. Today we're talking about how to use the Color Sync tool in Cricut Design Space. The Color Sync tool is available next to the Layers panel. It's used to help you match colors as well as consolidate colors to match the number of materials you plan to use in a project. When designing projects in Cricut Design Space, each color you see on the Layers panel will be cut with a separate material on a separate mat for each color. Matching the colors of the actual materials you are cutting to the layers shown in Design Space can both help you envision the finished project, as well as guide you as to which design elements will be cut on each mat. To get started, open a new project in Cricut Design Space. Click on Images and add any multicolored image. I'm going to choose a rainbow image so I can show you how Color Sync works on an image with a lot of colors. So we'll pick this one and add it to the canvas. In the Layers panel, you can see each arch of the rainbow is a different color and a separate layer. When you click on the Color Sync panel, you can see there's a color block on the left that matches the color of each layer. When you click Make It, you can see each color will be cut from a separate mat. So there's 7 mats total of 7 different material colors. So let's say we want to cut out the rainbow from only 3 colors rather than 7. To use the Color Sync tool, click on Color Sync, and then drag and drop any layer to another layer you want it to match. So now you can see you have 3 colors for the rainbow. When you click Make It, you'll see there's only 3 mats of 3 different colors being cut out now. You can also match colors from different images or text you add to your project. So for example, we were changing the colors in this single image of this rainbow, but you can also match colors from different images. So let's add another image. We're going to choose this love image that has all different colors than what we have in our current rainbow. So you can see all the colors are different in both images. I've had many times where I think my layers are the same color, but they're off by the slightest amount. This will cause the Cricut to think that those colors need to be cut from 2 separate materials on 2 different mats. So you can see the pinks in this love and the rainbow are very similar. They look almost the same, but if you go to Color Sync, you can see that the background of the love and the pink in the rainbow are 2 different colors. Using the Color Sync tool is an easy way to match up those colors perfectly. So you can see in this example we have a lot of different colors to cut out. So if you were to click Make It, each one of those different colors would be a separate mat. So you'd have technically 15 different mats, but because we matched the 2 pinks. So that's a lot of different colors of materials to cut out. So if we want to match the colors of the love word to the rainbow, we click on Color Sync, and again, we can just drag any of the layers to match up with the rainbow layers. And you can play around with the different color variations until it looks the way that you want. So you can see this background love is the same color as this E, so we'd want to move this E to a different color so that they're different. And now when we go to click Make It, we're cutting 7 colors of materials rather than 15. One thing to note is that the Color Sync panel shows only the layers that are set to cut, not any of the ones that are set to write, score, or print layers. So it will only work on the ones that you're going to be cutting, not on anything else that you're going to be doing with your Cricut. The last reason that I frequently use the Color Sync tool is to make a design I cut out all one color so that it will all cut from the same material on one mat. So before in Design Space, you would have to click on each individual layer and change the color. Using the Color Sync tool can save you a lot of time. So again, you would click over to the Color Sync panel and drag all of the layers to one color. And now when you click Make It, all of the different parts of the rainbow are being cut on one color mat. And this is a great way to have everything cut on one mat if you're using scraps. So you can position your scraps that are different colors on one mat and have it all cut out at one time rather than having to reload a separate mat each time. When you're using the Color Sync tool, you can drag and drop each individual layer, or you can drag and drop by using the color bar on the left side to sync all layers that are that color. If you have any questions about how to use the Color Sync tool or when you would use it, please leave them in the comments. Check back and subscribe to my channel for more Cricut Design Space Basics tutorials.